Wow, this place looks amazing. So many spooky things.
Welcome to the Halloween shop. It's spooky season. Are you getting ready for a party?
Yes, I'm decorating my house. I want it to look like a haunted castle. I love these pumpkins. Can people still carve them?
Of course, we even sell carving kits. You can carve faces or spooky designs.
Oh, so that's how you make jack-o'-lanterns.
Exactly, just be careful with the knife.
I need something for my wall. Maybe a big spider web?
Good choice. And you can add a few ghost decorations too.
Ghosts? Are they scary?
Not really. These ones are smiling.
What kind of lights do people use for Halloween?
Mostly orange and purple. They make everything look magical and a little creepy.
Nice. I'll take one set of orange lights. Do you also sell costumes?
Of course! What are you planning to be this year?
Maybe a witch. I already have a hat.
Perfect! We got black cloaks, fake wands, and even pointy hats.
Oh, I love that. I'll take a pointy hat, a magic wand, a cloak, and a broom. Last time I said I wanted a broom, the shopkeeper gave me one for cleaning.
Ha ha ha! Yeah, you need to say witch's broom. Otherwise, it sounds like you want to clean your house, not fly away.
True. I'm not a scaredy cat, but flying sounds dangerous. By the way, what does trick or treat mean exactly?
It's what kids say when they go door to door. If you don't give them candy, they might play a trick on you.
Oh, got it. So treat means candy?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I think I have everything. How much are all of these together?
That'll be $70.
Here's the cash.
Thank you. Oh, wait. You get a free sticker if you say Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween! So today I learned some fun words. Jack-o'-lantern, witch's broom, magic wand, cloak, pointy hat, haunted house, trick or treat, costume, spider web, and scaredy cat.
Great job. Now you're ready for Halloween night.
Thanks. See you next time. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning English with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Happy Halloween!